Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Cordless Die Grinder 20V, the model PGSA 20LE-A1. Bare unit, battery and charger are not included, compatible with all X20V team batteries. No load rotation, it is 4500 to 22,000 RPM with a 6-level adjustment speed. Tool holder up to 8mm diameter, spindle thread size is M14, spindle lock with accessories included, versatile for precise fine grinding or powerful removal rate, with a 3 years warranty, 90% recycled materials, and let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this power tool and how we can use it. Nice and durable case. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Only the tool. And of course you have space for the batteries. If you want to buy the 4Ah battery, you can have this here, install it at the power tool. Nice, it fits perfect. Or the 2Ah battery goes here, and of course with a charger you can have your charger here with a cable inside, or if you want you can have the newest 8Ah battery, install it at the power tool, and that it fits perfect at the case. Now for the 8Ah battery it costs 60 euros. In my country, in different regions in Europe, the price is different. For the 2Ah, it costs 25 euros, and for the 4Ah, 40 euros. The charger alone, it costs 16 euros. There is a packet, you can buy the charger and the battery, total 26 euros. After the oil price, the cost it is higher for all these power tools and the accessories. Well, it is your choice what you want to buy. And of course we have in these 5 accessories for grinding. And there is the power tool. I like it. Feels nice. Robust metal motor housing, ergonomic design with anti-slip soft grip here. Feels nice to my hand. We have the on-off switch. Just press and it locks and you can work continuously. The lock button, it locks at the front and you can change one of the 5 grinding stone set. It is very easy to do that. It locks, you can see. Now it's rotating, press the button, it locks. Take the key, tight it very well. That was all, so easy. And of course we have the speed control, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have another one collet. There it is. Maybe you want to install something smaller in diameter. Okay, let's use it with 8Ah. Wow, so heavy with the 8Ah, but it's okay. I don't mind about that. Speed control. Easy to use with one hand. And off. Well, I think it's time for testing. Let's move on and see how it's performing. Grinding the metal. or you can even use this brass. Nice results, I like it. Or you can replace the collet with smaller 3.2 millimeter. This is 6 millimeter. And the same thing you can grind. It doesn't matter if you choose the smaller or the larger diameter, definitely it will do the job. Choose the larger capacity of battery for longer time of use, and it can stand just like that. It helps the battery because it has a flat surface. It costs only 50 euros without the battery and the charger. If you have other power tools from Parkside, it helps to use the same battery and the charger. Otherwise, you need to buy the charger and the battery. That means you need to give more or less about 25 to 50 euros. It depends which battery you will choose. If you need that type of tool, my viewers, for me, thumbs up, just buy it and do your job. For DIY projects and more at your home or outdoors. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.